Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you previously cancelled or paused your subscription, you can restart it in just a few clicks using your Amazon account. First thing first, go to Prime Video like primevideo.com or the Prime Video application that you have in your phone, or whether it is Android or iOS. So sign into your account first. You have to make sure that your account is signed in. Access your account settings, like click your profile icon here, okay, select account and settings. So you have here many options. You go to under your account, we have help, watch anywhere, and account and settings. Okay, so you tap this. So this is where you manage your plan. So click restart membership if you if you already paused it. So I don't have it here because in my country it's not available to pause and restart the subscription. Okay, so look for restart membership or resume subscription. Click the option. This reactivates your plan. Okay, so after that, confirm payments, like choose your plan, monthly or annual. Confirm payments method. Billing starts immediately after that. Okay, so start watching again. Like once restarted, full access is restored instantly. Watch movies and shows normally, like no waiting time. Okay, if you fully cancelled before, you may need to subscribe again like a new user. Okay, so same steps as signing in. So there are some common issues, like if there is no restart option, subscription fully expired, you have to sign up again. Payment failed, try another method. If content not accessible, log out and back in. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.